Hi friends, I'm so glad to have you back on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas holiday card. So let's get started. For making today's card, I'll be using the Christmas bells paper pack from Dress My Craft. So let's die cut 2 scallop circles from these papers. If you do not have dies, you can cut 2 circles of 4 and 3/4 and 4 inches diameter respectively. I'm using the Sizzix Big Shot die cutting machine. Next, take a cardstock of 10 by 5 inches and fold it in half to get a card base of 5 by 5 inches. Place a scallop circle die a little off the edge and die cut as shown. Now, adhere the die cut pattern papers over the scalloped card base. I'm stamping the Merry Christmas sentiment in the center of the card. Cut another scallop circle frame and then adhere an acetate sheet. I'm also adhering another frame cut from silver glitter cardstock. I have also stuck double-sided foam tapes behind the acetate frame. Put some shaker elements in the center of the card as shown. You can use sequins, beads, etc. Now seal the shaker elements with the scalloped acetate frame. I'll adhere a snowman that I fussy cut from the Christmas bells motif sheet. Next, let's make some poinsettia flowers. For this, I'll be using the poinsettia flower set dies from Dress My Craft. I have die cut 2 flowers from red cardstock. Using a finger dauber, I'll apply some dark blue ink in the center of the flowers. Apply ink on both the sides of the flowers. Spray some water on both the sides of the flowers. Then place the flowers on a paper napkin and dab off the excess water. Now place your flowers on an embossing pad. This pad is from Dress My Craft. Using a groove golf tool, pull the pointed side of the tool from the center of the flower to create veins on the petals. Then flip the flower and press it in the center with a ball tool. Do the same for the other flower as well. Apply the glue in the center of the flower and stick the flowers on each other, making sure that each petal of the top flower comes between the 2 petals of the bottom flower. Again, apply some glue in the center of the flower and adhere some tiny white pearls in the center. Let the flower dry completely to hold the cup shape. For the purpose of the video, I have already made some flowers. I have also die cut some foliage leaves. Adhere the poinsettia flowers and leaves like so. And then I'll also adhere a small red bow on the top of the card. So I hope you liked today's card idea and you will surely try it. Please do like, share and comment on my videos, and if you're here for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now.